Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grades 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Teamwork. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of listening and speaking means oral communication skill, we are going to learn to use polite expressions to seek attention. Before this, in English for Grade 2, we have taught you how to practice, how to express politely for seeking permission. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in groups to use polite expressions to seek attention. This is our today's SLO. Excuse me. So beta, here word polite is something we need to follow and to seek attention. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 104, O believers, do not say Ra'ina, means heard us, but say Unzurna, tend to us and listen attentively. Subhanallah. Yes, my dear student, what this verse is telling us. Beta, you see, Quran teaches us everything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching the way to talk properly to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And you see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching to Sahaba how to talk to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he is replacing one word, Raina. Allah did not like this word. Don't say this word. Rather say, Unzurna, please look at us. Please tend to us. You see, this is how beautiful our religion is. Beta, our each and every word is important. That is why I was saying we need to be polite. Every word should be nice, and the way we say it, it should be also nice, right? So let's start learning another thing. First, you tell me, what are basic social courtesies? And when do you seek someone's permission, attention? So what are social courtesies and when you seek attention? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember all the basic social courtesies which we are supposed to follow all the time. Not in school, just like in front of teacher. No, beta. Everywhere we should follow our good manner because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching us. So what are our good manners? Whenever we say something, use please, excuse me, thank you, may I. And when someone says thank you to us, we should say, you're welcome. Right? So this is how we should be polite in our words. And when we need someone's attention, we seek someone's attention when we want that person to listen to us, right? The way I'm talking to you and you are listening to me. So I say, please listen to me, look at me. Are you listening me? So this is how we need someone's attention by using different words. If one of you is not listening, I can say, excuse me, are you listening to me, right? So this is how we need someone's attention. So to seek someone's attention, we use words like excuse me, please listen to me, kindly look at me, may I have your attention please, may I have your attention please, Yes, so this is how we make other people to look at us because we want to talk to them. So attention means when they will tend to you, then you will start talking. So beta, it is one of good manner. Like a person is looking on the other way and you start talking, that's a bad manner. So first you should make that person to listen to you. So you can say, excuse me, listen to me. When the person turns to you, then you start talking, right? This is how we show our manners. So let's practice it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 46. Teacher. Now this child is talking to teacher. And what is he saying? Teacher, may I go outside? Okay, so he needs a permission. Excuse me, can you lend me a pencil? Right? Now first, excuse me, can you lend me a pencil? Now the two friends are sitting and they want to share the pencil. Can I have some ice cream now? Sister, please fetch me a glass of water. So there are different type of scenarios, okay? Brother, please help me with homework. So first you call brother, brother turns to you, then you say, please help me in my homework, okay? So are you clear with the concept? Let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will ask students to come in front of the class and use polite expressions to seek attention. So you just pretend like you are coming in front of class and class is not listening to you. How you will make them to listen to you, to how you will seek their attention. Pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, now every one of you know how to seek attention of your listener. Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will practice polite expressions to seek attention. And if it is possible for you, make a video of this homework, share it with your teacher. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today? We learned to use polite expressions to seek attention. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to use polite expressions to seek attention. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.